Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm David and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learn IT Online Plus, your mobile IT class. Today's video is as a result of the demands placed by one of our learners and we'll be delving into it. Ladies and gentlemen, are you fed up of streaming like this? I would like to stream like this. Then stay glued as we delve into what we call the virtual studio. Welcome back ladies and gentlemen. I want to entreat you to endeavor to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming ICT related tutorials. In today's video, we'll be looking at what we call virtual studio. By way of explanation, a virtual studio is an implied or artificial background that is often assigned to video footages. Ladies and gentlemen, as usual, this video happens to be a build-up on our previous videos on how to use OBS. In order to get a progressive understanding on how to use OBS extensively, I entreat all viewers who are not privy to the previous tutorials to get copies of it on this channel and then view them. Learners, as far as Virtual Studio is concerned, by way of requirement, one needs a quality camera, which could be a web camera on an external camera. One also needs a cloth. It could be green, blue, or magenta. One needs a studio light, and also make sure that you have a downloaded video background or a downloaded image background. Now open your OBS application software. If you have been following us attentively on our previous lessons, by now you should be equipped in knowledge on how to insert the various video, audio, image contents under the sources column. As far as today's lesson is concerned, I have downloaded a background from YouTube, which is an animated video. Also make sure that you have your camera inserted under the sources column. Ladies and gentlemen, as far as today's lesson is concerned, I have my camera being represented by an animated cartoonic character. As you can see, the background happens to be a lemon green. We want to remove the lemon green so that we could have the downloaded YouTube video as the background for our character. In order to do that, place your cursor on the camera content underneath the sources column. Right click and click on filters. Once the filter to your camera opens, place your cursor within the effect filters column. Right click, place your cursor on add and select chroma key. Click on OK. Now, as far as the key color type is concerned, we have green, blue, magenta, and a customizable color. For the purpose of today's lesson, since I have lemon green as my background, I will be selecting green. If you have blue, select blue. If you have magenta, select magenta. If you also have any other color other than these colors, select that customizable color. Click on select color and select the color you have as your background. Learners, in order to obtain a good chroma key effect, endeavor to have a good camera quality and also a good lighting system. But in an instance where either of them is deficient, use the similarity or smoothness handle. Adjust it until you get a preferred result. Then click on close. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for the audience. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, Learn IT Online Plus, your mobile IT class for more ICT related lessons. Also remember to send me your comments, your recommendations, your suggestions, share with us your challenges so that I can attend to them amicably as I just did with this. Stay glued.